Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add affiliate links to StanStore. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your StanStore account. And once you're in here, in the left panel, we have My Store. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on Add Product, okay? Just click. Now in here, as you can see at the bottom left, we have URL or media, okay? These two are different, okay? Make sure to use URL/media. And in here in the description, we have affiliate link. Just click on it. Now here's the preview. So it's up to you if you want to use embed or button, but personally, I like to use callout. As you can see here, people can just easily spot what's inside this button. So first up, make sure to paste your URL link. So go ahead and get your affiliate link. All right, I'm just going to paste our channel's link right here. Make sure that you paste the correct affiliate link, okay? So once done, once you have your URL, scroll down and we have select image section. Click on choose image and upload your desired image, all right? You can go ahead and choose from Stan's library, but if you want your own photo or logo, go ahead and click on upload image, right? So for example, I'm just going to use this logo of our channel right here. I'm just going to click on use this photo. Wait for it. There you go. So for example, the title, since it's an affiliate link, I'm going to try to sell or pitch our channel, okay? So my favorite YouTube channel, like so, all right? And then subtitle, maybe my go-to channel for quick and easy how-to guides, just like that. And here, button, erase it if you want to change it. Maybe I'm just going to type in subscribe, like so. And then once that's done, if you're happy with it, you're going to go ahead and click on publish or save it as a draft, okay? Hit on publish. Says here saved, your product's published. You can now go ahead and click on this link to preview it, like so. When we click on it, as you can see, we are being landed to the exact URL. That's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.